In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up Depop seller account. So let's just get straight into the video. Well, setting up a Depop seller account is a straightforward process that just involves downloading the app, creating a profile, and connecting payment methods. But I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you completely. So first things first, download and install your Depop application. If you haven't already logged in, make sure that you log in. I've already made a video on how to go ahead and log in. Once you are logged in, all you need to do is click on the sell button on the bottom of your screen and click on start selling. Now you need to put your date of birth. So simply go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and put a random one. Let's just say, there you go, continue. And once you do that, as you can see, it will ask you to go ahead and enter a billing address. So simply go ahead and enter something. So I'm just going to go ahead and write something random. Let's just say that right over here, because why not? Click on continue. And then enter your first name and your last name. So right over here. And once you do that, it will ask you to connect your PayPal, and that is it. You can simply go ahead and start selling once you connect your PayPal. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.